Good morning students, welcome back to your EVS class. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter that is festivals of part 4. Okay, this is the last part of the chapter festival. Okay, in the last 3 classes we have studied about the some basic concept regarding the festival, how we celebrate the festival. Okay, what are the sweets we are doing at the time of festival, and we wear new clothes. Okay, like this we are celebrating the different kinds of festival. Okay, so in that festival we have discussed 6 festivals. Okay, which are those? That is Holi, Guru Purab, Buddha Jayanti, Eid al-Fitr, Diwali. Okay, so these all things we learnt in the last 3 part. In this 4th part we are going to discuss about the remaining 3 festival, that are Mahavir Jayanti, Navroj and Onam. So these 3 we are going to discuss. Okay, so the first one, that is Mahavir Jayanti. The first one, that is Mahavir Jayanti. Here, why we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti? This day is the birthday of Mahavir. Okay, this day is the birthday of Mahavir. Okay, so this day we are celebrating the birthday of Mahavir. So that's why we call this day as the Mahavir Jayanti. And here the Achin family, they are celebrating the Mahavir Jayanti. Okay, so here this Achin is waiting to give a fruits and water to the monks. Okay, which are those monks? The here Achin, he is waiting for the giving fruits and water to whom? Monks. Okay, and the monks are carrying the statue of Mahavir through the streets. Okay, here monks, what they are doing? They are carrying the statue of Mahavir from one place to another through the streets. Okay, so for them here Achin is helping for giving the fruits and water. And after that Achin went to the temple in the morning. Here Achin, they went to the temple in the morning only, and the temple was beautifully decorated with the flags. Okay, the temple of Mahavira, that is beautifully decorated with the flags. Okay, so here like this Buddha Jayanti is celebrated. See, Buddha Jayanti is nothing but it is the birthday of Mahavira, and Achin, he is waiting to give the fruits and water to the monks. And why he is waiting? Because what monks are doing here? The monks are carrying the statue of Mahavira from one place to another place through the streets. And here Achin, he went to the temple in the morning. Okay, for praying. Okay, he prayed to the Mahavir that Mahavira, bless us, bless our family, bless our friends and relatives. Like this, the Achin is praying towards the Mahavira. And here that Mahavir temple is beautifully decorated with the flags. Okay, how in Buddha Jayanti, how he is decorating the banyan tree with the flags, like that only here the Mahavir temple is decorated with the flags. Okay, like this here Achin family, they are celebrating the Mahavir Jayanti. Next thing, that is Navroj. Here they have given the Mehraj family. First, before going to the Navroj festival, what is this Navroj? And this festival, when it is celebrated? See, this celebration that signals that the start of spring season. When spring season will start, at the start of this spring season only, this Navroj festival we celebrate. Okay, and here how the Eid al-Fitr is the festival of Muslims, like that only here Nowruz is the festival of Persian. Here Persian they celebrate this day as the New Year. How we celebrate January 1st as the New Year, like that only here the Persian they celebrate this Nowruz day as the New Year. Okay, and here Mehra's family they are celebrating the Nowruz. It means they are Persian. Okay, Mehra's family they are Persian and they are celebrating the festival Nowruz. And here this Mehra, she is helping her father to clean the house. Mehra, what she is doing? She is helping her father to clean the house. And here Siraj, what is doing? He is helping his mother cook a rice dish known as the pulao. Okay, so what Siraj is doing? He is helping her mother for cooking the rice dish that is called as the pulao. And the smell of this pulao which is spread whole house, the whole house which is filled with the smell of pulao. Okay, and after that later they will all wear a new clothes and go to the temple to pray. Okay, so after that what they do? They wear a new clothes and they go to the temple for praying. Okay, so like this they are celebrating the Nowruz. So what is Nowruz here? So this Nowruz we celebrate as a new year. So here Persian they are celebrating this Nowruz as the new year, and this celebration that signals the start of spring season. When the spring season will start, at that time this Nowruz festival celebrated by the Persian as a new year. Okay, and here Mehra's family they are celebrating the Nowruz. Okay, and she is helping her mother to clean her father to clean the house, and her brother Siraj, he is helping his mother to cook a rice dish that is called as the pulao, and the smell of pulao that is spread all over the house. And after that, after the eating of pulao, what they are doing? They wear after eating before eating the pulao, they wear a new cloth and they go for the temple to pray. So like this they are celebrating the Nowruz. Okay, after Nowruz here, the next thing that is, so after this the next festival and the last festival, that is Onam. Onam, here Anuj family they are celebrating the Onam. Here see Anu, she is watching what? She is watching a boat race. You just see in the picture what she is doing. She is watching the boat race, and she has come to the Kerala to visit her grandparents. Okay, to visit her grandparents, she has come to the Kerala. Okay, and where it is celebrated? Onam, which is celebrated in the Kerala. Okay, this Onam which is celebrated in Kerala, and here in Kerala she has come to visit her grandparents. Okay, so after this what happens? Her grandmother, Anu's grandmother, gifted her a new cloth on the occasion of Onam. Her grandmother gifted her a new clothes, and here Anu and her cousins they made a beautiful pattern with the flowers in front of their house. In front of their house, Anu and her cousins they made a beautiful pattern with the flowers. By using flowers they made one beautiful pattern, and they kept that pattern in front of the grandparents' house. Okay, and like this they are celebrating the Onam. Okay, so here how the Anu's family is celebrating the Onam. Here Anu, what she is doing? She is watching the boat race, and she has come to the Kerala to visit her grandparents, and this Onam, which is celebrated only in the Kerala, and her grandmother gifted her a new clothes, and Anu and her cousins, what they are doing, they are making a beautiful pattern with the flowers in front of their house, and like this they are celebrating the Onam. Okay, so understood dear students. So what we discussed in this class, that is we have discussed about the Mahavir Jayanti, why we celebrate Mahavir Jayanti. Mahavir Jayanti is the birthday of Mahavira, and here Achin he is waiting for giving the fruits and water to the monks, and what the monks are doing, monks are carrying the statue of Mahavira from one place to another place through the streets, and Achin he went to the temple in the morning only, and the temple of Mahavir temple, it was decorated very beautifully with the flags. The temple was beautifully decorated with the flags. Okay, and Nowruz, this festival which is celebrated at the start of the spring season. Okay, so this celebration that signals the start of spring season, and here Persians celebrate this day as the New Year, and here Mehra's family, they are celebrating the Nowruz. Here Mehra, she is helping her father to clean up the house, and her brother Siraj, he is helping his mother to cook rice dish known as pulao, and the smell of pulao which is spread all over the house. After this, before eating the pulao, they wear a new clothes and they go for the temple to pray. Next, Onam. Here Anu's family, they are celebrating the Onam. Here what Anu is doing, Anu, she is watching the boat race, and she has come to the Kerala to visit her grandparents, and this Onam which is celebrated only in the Kerala only, and her grandmother gifted her a new clothes on the occasion of Onam, and here Anu and her cousins, they made a beautiful pattern with the flowers in front of their house. Okay, and they are like this, they are celebrating the Onam. So dear student, understood whatever we have discussed in this class, and this is the completion of your chapter, that is festival. Okay, so dear students, see, first go through this video once or twice, read the textbook. You will find, if you find any difficulty, you can contact me. I will solve your problem as soon as possible. So in the next class we will meet with the new chapter. Till that, dear students, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.